everyone. As the title have already suggested you, I have come up with a great ingredient out here. It's very popular on the internet. You can find it in every women's kit. That is the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to be testing out here whether it works as a primer or not. So, to check whether it can be used as a primer or not, you have to watch the video. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the most famous aloe vera gel from Patanjali. What we have to do, I have a clean, bare, naked, no makeup face. I am taking some aloe vera gel on my palm. We have to apply it. Everywhere where you have all the texture on your face. For example, the center of your face has the maximum amount of texture because you have the blackheads, the scars. Apply it on your T-zone, on your forehead. I have a lot of pimples out here. Apply it on your hyperpigmentation. Okay, it's very watery, so you need around 5 to 10 minutes to let it get settled, let it get absorbed into your skin, and once it's completely dried, then you have to begin with your makeup. Okay, so I'll see you guys in after 10 minutes. So I'm back. I've gone and checked in the mirror whether my pores are visible or not, and they are completely filled. I am super surprised that this did work as a primer. And the only one thing which I want everybody to take up as a caution is that it did balled up. मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैंने ऐसे रब किया स्किन के ऊपर तो निकल गया यहाँ से फाउंडेशन. ठीक है, तो वो इसीलिए होता है बिकॉज इट नीड्स मोर टाइम टू सेटल ऑन योर स्किन. ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर as a primer, you need to give it around 10 to 12 minutes to completely soak up into your skin. Then only it can be put under a foundation. Okay, and various skin types can have the different kinds of time. For example, I am an oily skin type, right? Maybe dry skin type can soak up in less than 10 minutes, so you have to find your exact time in which this gets soaked up. Other than that, I really loved it as a primer. It has filled all my pores. I'm really surprised. So yeah, using this as a primer is a very big thumbs up from my side, and just one precaution that you have to make sure. Other than that, it's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this video a big like to make me motivated to produce further more videos. Bye. So I'm back after 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's completely dried. And now I'm gonna go on with my favorite foundation. It's Fit Me from Maybelline. I'm very excited for this video as me myself wish to try aloe vera gel as a primer. So I'm taking a very little amount of this foundation on my back of the hand. Okay, with my sponge, I'm gonna put it on. I applied the foundation, and for the first impression I can see that it has blended very nicely, and it has given a certain glow to my skin. You can see that glow without applying any kind of highlighter and all. I have that glow. So it's a glowing primer. It can work as a glowing primer. I used to see whether it has filled in my pores or not. So let's see that.